One of the main purposes of tables is to make it easy to grasp concepts and details at a glance. Unfortunately, for a significant minority, tables actually make comprehension a great deal harder. For those who are visually challenged and depend on technology, such as a screen reader, to translate the web from a visual to oral experience, tables represent a significant challenge. HTML5 includes a number of additional tags and attributes that can make tables and their content more accessible to all. One way you can help to make your tables more accessible is to include an explanation of the table's function using the caption element. As with other elements, you can also apply CSS to this tag. To help site visitors understand the purpose of the Moon Tours table, let's add some caption text. If you want to follow along, please start by opening the file TPA Jupyter, which can be found in the Lesson 18 folder. This time, instead of adding the markup first, let's quickly define the CSS rule. As always, we'll add the new rule just before the ending style tag. Having added some space, we'll now type caption, followed by the curly bracket. For the first declaration, we'll set the font size of the caption text to 14. Next, we'll add 5 pixels of padding at the bottom of the caption element, as well as making the font weight bold. Now to insert the caption element itself. With the cursor at the end of the paragraph following the text, here's a quick overview. We'll create a new line, type the start caption tag, add the caption text, and then add the end caption tag. Let's switch to Firefox and see what it looks like. If we move down near the bottom of the page, you can clearly see the way the table caption is being displayed. Now, let's switch back to the text editor and see how we can improve the accessibility for screen readers further using HTML5. HTML5 includes the summary and details tags. These can be placed within the caption tag and rendered in the same position as the caption. Let's add both the summary and detail tags inside this existing caption element. To do this, we'll create a new line after the start caption tag and then add the start details tag. Next, we will add some messaging inside the summary element. And then close the details tag, followed by the caption tag. The summary element is really only intended for screen readers, and in most cases doesn't add anything useful to the visual display. To move this element off screen, but still make it available to screen readers, we will move to the top of the page and insert a new rule for the summary tag just before the closing style tag. Using the absolute positioning property, we have now moved the summary tag selector 999 pixels from the left edge of the screen, effectively hiding it from view while still keeping the content within the document flow.